Let us just start off with DXY right away and see where the market can potentially continue back down to. And this is just going to be a quick recap because this is exactly where the market was since the last live stream that I did have in the last video is that we can continue down to 104.650 with time. This is one Fibonacci level that we have, so we can expect the market to continue to drop. If we zoom out, you can also see how we are right now dropping back down to potentially the previous resistance that we did have around 102, 101 for DXY. So I definitely believe that we can continue to have some extremely bearish momentum. Obviously we can see the market give us a pullback because as you see the market goes up down all the time, but right now when it comes to DXY it looks like we are extremely bearish. When it comes to USDT, you can see that we are right now trying to break above 8.22%, and it looks actually better if we go down to the daily chart. You can see that we're using this previous high that we did have around 8.50%, and I am using the previous little resistance that you can see right here before we had these two candlesticks, and then you saw how the market dropped. And we are actually right now using this previous resistance to see, because you can see how USDT gave us another fake out candle. Now looking at the weekly chart, that is the week. We can definitely see the market continuing to be bullish, but right now we are retesting a previous resistance, and you can see how the market is giving us now higher highs and higher lows. So we'll see how the market's going to behave if we are going to continue to climb above this level and fill this wick that we have up to 9.38%. If the market continuing to being bearish, you can see the market potentially drop down to 8.16% or potentially 7.89%. And from here we'll see if the market continuing to drop, or if this is where we see the market only give us a Fibonacci level for a continuation to the upside. So this is what we are seeing right now on USDT. When we go to BTC, we can see that the market continuing to be extremely bearish at the moment, and we can use a previous support that we have around 15,800, but I also want to use this level around $16,200, and you can see how the market just came down there and retested this level, which is a level that we can see the market only retest for a potential then pullback, because remember, when it comes to support and resistance zones, the market usually retests them for then a bounce from that level. And as we spoke about on today's live stream, is that we're using the fake out candlestick and see if the market will give us only a retest of the previous support that we also did have. Okay, so let us see if the market's going to continue to drop from these levels, or if we only see the market retest them and then continue back up a little bit. Okay, because DXY is extremely bearish at the moment. USDT, we'll see if the market is giving us a little drop, which means also that the market on BTC will then give us a pullback to the upside. So just have that in mind when it comes to BTC, and especially in the beginning of the week, because tomorrow is a Monday. It's called Trap Monday for a reason. So we usually have the market, market goes up, down. The market can be a little bit volatile. So let us see what's going to happen. But we have our levels at the moment to see if we're just going to continue to drop from here, or if we will see the market retest these levels for a potential small pullback. Because overall, if you're looking at the weekly chart, we have a massive candlestick. So we must understand that this volatility that we do have, it's pretty hard for the market to give us a pretty strong bullish candlestick. It can obviously happen because cryptocurrencies, they are extremely volatile sometimes, but overall I don't think the market will change direction from here. I only think that we'll continue to see the market on the lower time frames, see the market being extremely volatile, but overall we're still continuing down. When it comes to Ethereum, you can right now see that we are retesting, or we're trying to break below the trend line. We are trying to break the same thing here. We have this massive bearish candlestick that is extremely volatile, which means that only on the lower time frames we'll see probably some pullbacks, but then a continuation of the drop. If we're continuing to drop right now, we can use this previous support that we had before the fake out candlestick around 1,150 on Ethereum. So we just might see us pull back down to this level, give us then a pullback, and from there we'll either see the market continuing to be bullish, or if we'll see the market retest this previous support that we did break around 1,250 and 60 for a potential retest continuation. If we're breaking above the support again, then that can take us back up to the targets that we also spoke on today's live stream and in yesterday's video, that we can have a pullback to Fibonacci levels around 1,370 or potentially 1,445. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget that you can also receive a bonus right now on Bybits up to $30,030 in bonus if you're using the link in the description down below the video, or you have it pinned in the corner right here. This is a great platform for each and everyone that wants to have a platform where you can trade with very low fees and zero fees when it comes to spot pairs. This is an amazing platform for everyone that wants to have an easy platform to trade on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time or when I do have my daily updates. Thank you each and everyone that's new to my channel. We see each other tomorrow. Have a good day, everyone. I love you. Bye bye.